I have been dealing with alopecia for about 10 years, and I know that treatments, doctor's appointments, and hacks might get a little bit tough sometimes. I mean, sure, they are easy days, but whenever a rough day hits, it truly hits. After trying a lot of different treatments without a result, I decided to use hacks instead. But again, these hacks, even when they are great and so helpful, sometimes you are just in a rush, and you need a little bit something easier. Tons of people told me to switch into wigs, but I'm going to be truly honest with you, and for me, it was kind of like strange. It was a strange idea because the thing is, my problem is really focused on this part of my head. So I thought that a wig was like too much for my problem. Anyways, I did my research, and thank you social media. I started to see a lot of girls wearing wigs. And you know what? It wasn't even strange at all. These girls looked natural, beautiful, and most of all, confident. So again, thanks to social media, I got to meet this great and fantastic brand, and I got introduced into the world of toppers, which is kind of like a wig, but more focused on the top of your head. That's why toppers, right? So here I have my topper, and I want to try it out with you. Here I have the topper. As you see, it's really shiny. It is real human hair. It looks really, really good. The inside of your topper looks like this, with these clips that you have to clip them on top of your head. So let's try it. So right now I don't have any products besides shampoo and conditioner into my hair. That is not a problem. Actually, you can blow out your hair or do whatever you want, and you can also blow your wig or curl your wig. So as you see, it is really easy to put it on, and you can see that it looks really, really natural and really, really good. A girl that loves to have her hair like this, but of course, as I am an alopecia girl, sometimes it's really, really hard to style my hair. So with this topper, it gets so much easier. Of course, it totally hides my bald spots. Right now I'm on my bride era, so this topper is going to work wonders for all of the events that are coming up.